नमस्कार दोस्तों, वेलकम टू द शो नोज के स्टार्स विद आवा सोनी। दोस्तों आज हमारे साथ हैं रूबिन, जिन्होंने वीआईटी ट्रिपल ई एंट्रेंस क्लियर कर लिया है। वो आज हमें बताएंगे वीआईटी ट्रिपल ई के बारे में और अपनी नोज की जर्नी के बारे में। तो चलिए शुरुआत करते हैं रूबिन से। सो वेलकम टू द शो रूबिन। आपने वीआईटी ट्रिपल ई के लिए क्वालिफाई कर लिया है, तो ये है क्या, किसका एंट्रेंस एग्ज़ाम है और किस कोर्स के लिए है?
VIEEE is basically entrance exam for BTech and it's for Vellore Institute of Technology, VIT, and it has mainly 3 branches, Andhra Pradesh, Vellore and Chennai.
अच्छा, किस स्ट्रीम के स्टूडेंट वीआईटी ट्रिपल ई दे सकते हैं?
PCM, Physics, Chemistry and Mathematics. Students can acquire for VIT triple E exam.
ओके, तो ये कितने साल का कोर्स रहता है?
BTech is generally for 4 years.
तो आपका किस कॉलेज में सिलेक्शन हुआ है?
The main branch that I've received is VIT Andhra Pradesh.
तो रूबिन, आपका ये एम स्टार्टिंग से ही था कि आपको कंप्यूटर साइंस करना है या कुछ आपका एम डिफरेंट था?
Actually, I am very ground to art. Like I devote to painting. I love painting, and I have this curiosity to learn coding, and I have this, the inner feeling to know about computer science. So the thing with the course is like I can combine my art into computer science and make something new.
Okay.
So that is why my aim was to do CS from the beginning, from the very beginning.
तो ये इसकी प्रिपरेशन आपने कब स्टार्ट की?
I haven't done any preparation. I have just focused on my 11th and 12th.
आपने नोज की में एडमिशन कब लिया?
First.
12
I have been here since 12 years.
स्वीट जर्नी के बारे में आप बताइए। मैं जानती हूँ कि आप इसे बताने के लिए बहुत छटपटा रही हैं कि मैं अपने मन की बात सारी निकालूं। तो here is the camera.
Nosegay is not a school for me. It's a family that I just love. Like each and every, even the didis over here are so comforting. They give you warmth. Like I can run to each and every teacher. Even I don't know the teacher, who is the teacher, I don't have to take care. Inner me knows ki haan, this teacher is going to help me. It has been very welcome. What I am today is because of Nosegay. Like I haven't been always in studies and all. I have been into academics, I have been into co-curricular activities, and the co-curricular activities the Nosegay provides, it's like mesmerizing, totally mesmerizing. The assemblies, like still 8th we have our assemblies.
Yes.
The assembly was like an annual presentation, and this assembly was like a grand event for the class. We used to wait for assembly and we also have Scientia.
Okay.
These 2 events were like all the students were eagerly waiting because we have to participate and we can show our inner selves ki what exactly we are. And these 2 things were like the best things that I can consider. And the extempore competition, solo song competition, even the sports day. Like
हर एक कंपटीशन में पार्टी आई क्या?
Yes, I have taken each and every. Even I remember in 7th student, our teacher was going to select the students for relay race. So she was selecting boys, and I was like, why boys? हम भी तो कर सकते हैं, right? So yes, I have been to each and everything. Like I love this.
Okay. Tell me something about MD sir and Nymphia ma'am.
MD sir and Nymphia ma'am, they are a complete, like Nymphia ma'am is like an angel from heaven. Truly. Like when you talk with her, it just soothes you. Like it's very comforting. It's like a bandage on a very harsh bruise. Like I remember in assembly, there was this assembly, she said ki if you are feeling an anxiety and a depression, you can talk to me. There was this friend of mine, she was suffering from depression quite a long time, from 2 to 3 months, and then she talked to Nymphia ma'am, and after that she came to me and she told me like Nymphia ma'am's words were like something she cannot forget about. Even we can run to Nymphia ma'am if we are having any problem. She is very soothing.
Okay, which type of student you were in Nosegay?
I was a student who is lovable, not that intelligent. I was good in academics, but I was a very lovable kid. Like each and every teacher used to love me, and I was like up to everything. Like whenever there's any task, I was like, yes, I can do it. हाँ, so every teacher used to love me. I was talkative. I don't say I'm not talkative. I was talkative, but yes.
अभी इंटरव्यू से पहले तो था कि और मुझे इंटरव्यू नहीं देना, मुझे बस इंटरव्यू नहीं देना।
I know, I was eager to meet Nympha ma'am. I was like, यार इंटरव्यू नहीं।
रुबिल, थैंक यू सो मच। आपने अपने फीलिंग्स हमारे साथ शेयर किया एंड बताया कि VIT ट्रिपल है क्या और कौन कौन से स्टूडेंट कर सकते हैं। सो थैंक यू सो मच एंड ऑल द बेस्ट for your
And thank you,
next
Nosegay,
year.
as well for just for bringing me who I am today and letting me achieve these much things, the confidence, the speaking skills that I have earned.
Yes.
I all thank to Nosegay, really,
Thank
from
you.
bottom of my heart.
थैंक यू। तो ये थे हमारे साथ रुबिन, जिन्होंने बताया कि VIT ट्रिपल एग्जैक्टली है क्या और कौन कौन से स्टूडेंट VIT ट्रिपल का एंट्रेंस दे सकते हैं। तो इसी तरह के और भी सितारों से हम आपको मिलवाते रहेंगे, लेकिन अगर अभी तक आपने हमारे इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो सब्सक्राइब कर लें ताकि नोज़गे के हर नए सितारे से हम आपको मिलवा सकें। थैंक यू सो मच।